to learn how I was able to achieve that, keep watching. So guys, the very first thing you need to do is this: you need a tripod. If you don't have a tripod, place your phone in a place you know will be stable so that your video will come out perfect. You are to leave your phone in a particular position till you are done with the whole video. This particular video, we are going to do 2 separate videos. I will do the illustration very soon for you to see. We are going to do 2 separate videos, and throughout the videos, your phone should not move. Please leave your phone in one particular spot so that your video will come out well. And you also need to be in one particular spot till you are done with your video. Don't worry, I will show you how you are going to achieve that. Are you ready? Let's go. Now the very first thing you need to do is this: you are going to face this direction, and then make sure your hands are not dropping. Raise your hands up like this, and then start moving your leg as if you are walking. Start moving your leg as if you are walking like this. So you can do this for like 10 seconds, 20 seconds. It depends on how long you want it to be. So start doing like this. Just do it. Please don't move, or just remain in one spot and be doing it. So when you are done, you end the video and do another one. Before you leave this spot, please mark this spot. Mark this spot. If possible, you can even continue with the same video. But the reason why I'm saying you should do another one, separate one, is because when it's time for editing, it will be easier for you that way. So it depends on how you want it to be, but make sure when you are doing the second one, you are in the same position. And how are you going to do that? You turn to the other side. Now this is the spot I am. Just turn to the other side like this. Face the other side. Now you start doing whatever you want to do with your hand. It can be you plucking the flower, it can be you using your combing your hair, it can be anything, but make sure your hands are not dropping like this. The same thing with the first video. Please, your hands should be up above your waist. And then for this tutorial, I'll just be combing my hair. And then I can once in a while look at my back, just like that. Make sure your hands don't drop, please. If you drop your hands, the video will not be perfect. So this is how it is done. So guys, now that we are done with these 2 tutorials, the next thing to do is to head over to Capcut. Let's go there and do the final editing. Click on the Capcut app. I recommend this app for you. It is one of the best video editing app. So then you click on new projects, and then you click on that particular video when I was standing but I was only moving my leg. You remember that video, right? So you click on it. So guys, this is the video, and you import it to Capcut, and then you click on overlay and click on add overlay, and then I'm going to import the second video when I was standing and using my hand to maybe comb my hair. Click on it, and then you click on add. So when you are done clicking on add, you use your finger to resize it. Always resize the overlay so that your video will come out well. This is one of the few steps you need to follow. So after doing this, guys, swipe to your right hand side. Make sure you are clicking on the second video, that is the overlaid video. Make sure you are clicking on it, and then swipe to your right hand side and click on mask, M-A-S-K. So you click on it and then click on horizontal. As this is the video. So immediately you are done, you can always use your finger to arrange it the way you want it to be. You can always use your finger. If you look at it now, this is like another stuff now, and this is another one now. So you can always use your finger to resize it anyhow you want it to be. So I'm just doing the one for the waist, and then I'll click on play. Let's see what we have. So guys, this is it. So that's why I said you are not supposed to move. Don't move your body from that place. Remain in one spot. So guys, this is it. So if there's any adjustment you need to do, you can do it. As you can see, This video still needs some adjustments so that everything in the building needs to be equal. You understand? Okay, so guys, this is the video. This is it. So like I said in my previous video, if you notice that there's any part of your video that is darker, you can always brighten it by clicking on the video and searching for adjust, and you do any adjustment you want to do so that the video will be perfect. Because I understand the weather can always affect the video quality, you understand? So always do well to check if there's any adjustment you need to do, and then you adjust it. So like for this video now, I'm going to just adjust the upper parts a bit. I'm going to add to the brightness. Click on adjust, then click on brightness and increase it a bit. So guys, this is it for this video. This is it. Even though you don't know how to edit, just try it out and you will get it. So guys, this is it. This is the video. This is it. It is very easy. Anybody can actually do it. Guys, I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up, like and share. Don't forget to also subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any of my uploads. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.